Oh, the way a twaba, way a winiaba. Kevin Taylor on twaba. I'm in twaba, so memo be a twabetia. A poor biba. Men twaba, but memo be a twabetia. And dying. Improve. Now when you say in some people and twaba. Hey, Paul, I don't watch now be in a tree. We in it to the twaba. That be you. Kwasia. Tracy watching Kwasia, some anamokase. Papa don't have twaba. In Yamba. Mohon tien kitty to say a punchy bini na money nam Ghana and Kwasia any holiday. We starting a nice. Mo certain year because mo Jimmy. Nipa ni chimu fasono o chimu dino na mu Jimmy na betem more. Mr. S, Mr. P, don't block anybody. Any holiday. Mementoaba. Ba memo bia tweet yawo. Jimmy for motete Ghana. In somebody be the yankan obi. You see last week, Paul Adobochi went to bring that dirty riffraff koko anyidowu. Na who can who fin. Or better now, same old story. There's nothing. Mo chatro from the beginning, mo form a pathway. Pathway muti ya friends Bafu akoto. Ye wafa bafu akoto ko yi ni 700 pounds eda ho. The 700 pounds at the whole edibate party. What do Kwasiasam Saba bedin ne? And Kwasiasam Sayan Kamasam. Then the Munyam Rantian and Mabawana ye come when you are. Mosamon Tiasi ubitamo, Mubodam.
And then under the Urban Sanitation Pilot Project, 21,332. So under the Toilet for All program, at least 109,000 household toilets have been constructed, benefiting 856,000 people. This is quite remarkable.
Americas. In Ghana, we are on Loud Talents TV. We are on Facebook. We are on With All Due Respect page. Facebook, Loud Truth. At the end of the day, your feelings, what you think, what you believe in, the party you support, your ideas. At the end of the day, those things will not have any effect on my show. I will still speak the truth. I will use the facts to educate Ghanaians. So, and how you feel, they keep it in your room. How you feel towards me, it's okay. You can decide to insult me. I'm fine. It's normal. How you feel about me, I don't care. How you feel about me, Echo, I don't care. My production team, I don't care. How you feel about my production, I don't care. It is your problem. So deal with your problem. But what we are going to deal with, and what we are going to make sure Ghana for, and yes, I'm mistaken, is to make sure people like a Japadia group we Ekufuado for Riata, Amotia for Penny Gabi Ochredakon, a Yebedi tuo, sa Nipamwa Monsamwe. We want Ghanaians to know, say, and you say yes, I'm mistaken. That's all. In this, I want Siena, you have a problem with me, and you think, oh, when you say something about Kevin Taylor, when you go after Kevin Taylor, it's going to change. It's not going to change anything. You're wasting your time. You are wasting your time, because for some years now, we have made Ghanaians understand to say, it's because the lies. NPP was built out of lies. The party itself, why they are into being control. Ideology being the party which na because Adwene that party Adwene Bonnie. From the beginning, from the onset, the NPP as a political party, they've had an idea. Be say say Ghana. These are dangerous people with dangerous ideology. I'm to say once now. I'm to say toilet move once now. The people behind this party, it is always the opportunity to go and feast on people's SHIT. So these people are not people we have to entertain. They are dangerous people. The NPP led by Ekufuado and Bawumia is a dangerous group. It is filled with tribal bigots. It is filled with criminals. It is filled with liars. It is filled with people who feel entitled. These are the things that I feel the NPP Emma and the Ghana Funyina Bihuomo. These are very dirty people. And I keep saying this. These are very dirty people. Dirty people. You can see it from their faces. You can see it from the way their posture is. You can see it from where they are coming from. They are dirty people, dirty mentality and ideologies. So we need to stay together as a people and stop this group of criminals from taking over, because they have their own constitution. And the NPP led by Ekufuado and this little action criminals, their constitution is the Japadia book. Yes. So a vote for Mahamudu Bawumia is to continue the deadly things they are doing. That is all. 2024 elections is simple. Sawoto Abama Bawumia, you are telling Amotio for Rupenyi, Oforiata, Ekufuado, Jankroma, Gabi Asare Ochredako, you are telling Asanti Bedie too, Chairman won't to me, Jimmy now, so you are telling them to continue. Not the Obukino Omo implement it. That's all. Because Mahamudu Bawumia nya bema eshwada in the 90 ma sebio obetime take a decision. Bawumia cannot prosecute Gabi Ochredako. He's scared like a chicken. Bawumia cannot prosecute anybody in the NPP. Bawumia cannot prosecute Jankroma. Bawumia cannot prosecute Eddie Ofuriata. Bawumia cannot prosecute anybody in the NPP. That is why on his tour he has not been able to speak on prosecuting his own. He can't, because he does not own the party. The people who own the party are these criminals calling themselves a Japadie group. These are the facts. These are the facts. So the issue is today, when you raise issues in Ghana about what is happening, you will see the desperate, frustrated NPP people who were making noise about nothing 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago. Oh, now way at Twaba, way Eriniaba, Kevin Taylor on Twaba, I'm in Twaba, so memo be a Twabetia, a poor biba. Men Twaba, but memo be a Twabetia, in nine. Improve. Now when you say in some people and Twaba, hey, Poladomoch now be in a tree, we in it to the Twaba, that be you. Kwasia. Tesi buachin kwasi asema na mokase paparo na etwaba inyanba mohon tientian kitinkiti to say aponchi bini na mo na Ghana kwasi ade any holiday o we starting a nice mo starting here because mo Jimmy nipa ni twimu faso no o twimu di no na mo Jimmy na betem mo Mr. S Mr. P, don't block anybody any holiday mementwaba ba memo bia twetiawo Jimmy for Motete Ghana in 70 BD Yankan obi. You see last week, Paul Adobochi went to bring that dirty riffraff Kweku Anyidowu. Now who can who sing or better now same old story. There's nothing. Mo chatro from the beginning mo form a pathway. Pathway muti ya eye ba fo akoto yeah, what for bad for Kotoko in the 700 pounds at that ho. The 700 pounds at that ho, anybody party. What do you quasia some saba bedin ne? And quasia some sayan kamasam. Then the one I'm ranting and Maba wana ye come when you are. Most of one tiasi will be tamo, mo bottom.